Hi, this is Vaughn Stewart with NetApp, and I'd like to share with you our integration with VMware vCenter Server. Historically, our data centers are comprised of many technologies provided by multiple vendors, various servers running various operating systems, separate storage and IP networks, and multiple storage platforms. Through VMware's vSphere, customers can virtualize their applications and now have a unified management framework through vCenter Server for the management of all of their systems. Cisco is also driving the same change with regards to networking, collapsing separate networks for storage, telephony, and IP into one logical network that can be managed by software policies. And now let's look at storage. Shared storage platforms are going to grow in storage capacity within an environment as virtual machines require them for availability and mobility. Storage platforms, even the ones produced by single storage vendors, vary greatly in their functionality and capability and leverage multiple management tool sets. It seems that for most storage vendors, the vision of a unified management platform just isn't in their DNA. However, that's not the case at NetApp. We're the only storage company that provides a unified storage platform, one operating system, one management interface, and one set of APIs to provide functionality for any size capacity storage array, regardless of function, protocol, or use. NetApp is a leader in terms of storage integration within vCenter Server. I'm going to highlight two of our plugins today, the Virtual Storage Console 2.0 and our VM Insight 6.0. The VSC allows VM admins to configure, provision, and clone and backup virtual machines leveraging storage capabilities from NetApp, and the VM Insight provides infrastructure transparency between physical and virtual infrastructures. These plugins ensure best practices and simplicity for VI administrative teams, are available with every feature on every storage platform, and most of all, allow a link between the physical and virtual environments. When deploying VMware on NetApp, the storage admin has the choice to move out of the task of day-to-day provisioning and management of storage for VMware and move into a model where they provision pools of storage resources. These resources include storage I/O interfaces, pools of either physical disk or logical pools of storage, which we call flexible volumes. From the storage resource pool, the VI admin has the ability to provision data stores on demand and able to meet their business needs. These data stores can be SAN or NAS and can be connected to ESX hosts, clusters, or be provisioned to the entire data center. The plugins handle the connectivity, the provisioning, the availability, and the securing of the storage resources, as well as the formatting and connecting of these storage pools. The plugins also allow VI administrators to manage their storage. In this example here, we're going to dynamically grow a data store connected to 24 ESX hosts from 50 gigabytes to 100. Beyond provisioning data stores, VMware and NetApp customers can leverage FlexClone to provide hardware-assisted virtual machine clones. These clones can be leveraged as both virtual servers and as virtual desktops. They are high-performing and very storage efficient, as Flex clones consume zero storage at the time they are produced. This storage efficiency allows for greater storage savings and replication operations in the event that you're looking at disk-to-disk backup solutions or business continuance with VMware Site Recovery Manager. Our vCenter plugins provide the integration, allowing for such capabilities as VM customization and the creation of virtual desktop pools. We also integrate with virtual desktop connection brokers such as VMware View and Citrix Zen Desktop. The NetApp plugin also provides for hardware-assisted, storage-based snapshots of both virtual machines and data stores. These backups can be done on demand or can be integrated as part of a scheduled policy to back up an entire infrastructure. Our plugin also audits the connection settings between ESX hosts and storage controllers and allows you to non-disruptively correct any storage setting which is not in line with best practices. We also provide tools to ensure that your virtual machines are configured to obtain optimal I/O performance. And should you provision a virtual machine which does not have optimal settings, we'll actually log an event within vCenter. We also provide storage transparency. This allows VI admins to leverage efficiency technologies like deduplication and compression for greater storage and network utilization, while also having the confidence that their virtual resource utilization can be met by the underlying physical infrastructure. Let's pop out of the plugins for a moment and look at SandScreen. SandScreen is our network monitoring and management tool, which allows us to look at the configuration and resource utilization of storage controllers, networks, and storage connected hosts. As you can see in this example, we now can extend that capability to also include virtual machines, virtual disks, and data stores. This allows us to map virtual resources all the way down to physical resources, whether it's sub-details at the host, storage network, or storage controller level. And this data can be extended back into Virtual Center, allowing transparency between the physical and virtual infrastructures. In NetApp's view, integration drives simplicity and consistency, and these relate in operational savings. The technology and integrations that I've shared with you are available on storage controllers from NetApp and can also be available with your existing storage controllers through our V-Series storage virtualization. This has been Vaughn Stewart with NetApp. If you'd like more details on the information I've shared with you, please contact your NetApp value-added reseller or NetApp sales representative.